segment, we have special mention of the world we usually take for granted, that is, the aquatic world. Due to religious, nuclear, and factory-generated toxic waste disposal into water bodies, the aquatic life gets disturbed and hence endangered. Here are some examples of endangered aquatic animals. Some vital stats on India's diversity. India is only 2% of the world's total surface area, but it is known to have 7.5% of the species of animals. Indian flora has a great range of variety of the tropical forests in east, coniferous woodland of the western Himalayas and dense forests of western Ghats. 7.6% mammals, 12.6% avians, 6.2% reptiles and 6% flowering. Explore more about India's wildlife. We would like to draw your kind attention towards this flowchart which shows number of reserves in our country, India. Let's move towards western part of India. Sariska Tiger Reserve. The Sariska Tiger Reserve is an Indian national park and wildlife refuge located in the Alwar district of the state Rajasthan. Overview of Sariska Wildlife Reserve. Common animals found in Sariska are Bengal tiger, caracal cat, Indian leopard, Indian gaur, fox, four-horned deer and hyena. Let's move towards eastern part of India. Kaziranga National Park. It hosts two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros and has become a World Heritage Site too. Animals found in Kaziranga National Park are one-horned rhinoceros, swamp deer, elephants, Asiatic water buffalo, let's move towards southern part of India. Nagahole National Park. Nagahole National Park, also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is located in Kodagu district and Mysore district in Karnataka state in South India. The Western Ghats Nilgiri subcluster of 6,000 km, including all of Nagahole National Park, is under consideration by UNESCO World Heritage Committee for selection as a World Heritage Site. Animals found in Nagahole are tigers, gaurs, now let's have a look upon our Now let's have a short overlook over the present condition of a beautiful nature. Next section, reasons for depletion. Poaching, deforestation, overpopulation, as of now nature has been harmed very badly, and now the need of the hour is what to do. Thankfully, our government of India has taken many major initiatives in order to save the wildlife, which was the need of the hour. So now let's take a look on the effort of the government of India. We would like to draw your kind attention towards this graph which represents population of tiger. In 1970, a ban on tiger hunting was imposed. Three main acts were enacted in India. First, India Forest Act 1927, then Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and Forest Conservation Act 1980. CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, has been empowered under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 to apprehend and prosecute wildlife offenders. Indian government has also taken protective measures for the animals appearing right now on your screens. The way country cannot be run by the government alone, that way only in this situation, government alone cannot do anything. Thus, role of common people come into being. The Chipko movement 1973, which saw an unusual custom of hugging trees in order to avoid its cutting. The next one we have for you is Save Silent Valley 1973 and Jungle Bachao Andolan 1980. In this, the tribals of Singhum district of Bihar started the protest when the government decided to replace the natural sal forests with highly priced teak. In the upcoming section, we want to discuss what we can do at the student level. From the basic classes, every year we are provided with a unit in our geography books related to forest and wildlife, just for the sake of our awareness. The birthday card which is given to us also contains a picture of a sapling with a quote related to conservation. By making this short documentary, we feel that we carry a heavy responsibility about how we treat and be with our nature. We need to know that every creature has been designed to serve a purpose. Appreciating flora and fauna is one thing and conserving it is quite another. Earth is big and we have to preserve it. Thanks for watching, and imagination एक सोच.